Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the Peter Rassenti small Nirvana here with me for a quick maintenance video, and we're gonna try to clean it up. It's gonna be pretty quick, but hey, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe. I mean, if you want, you can subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying what I'm doing here, because I'm about to take down this custom Peter Rassenti knives small Nirvana. This is a 3.0. It is a beautiful knife. It's an integral knife and it's gonna be like super easy. You take a bit driver with a T15, you just tackle the pivot right there, and this is done. Take something plasticky and not metal-y and push the pivot on the other side. Just gently take out the blade and boom, and you're done. That's it. Done. That's really finished. So in 10 seconds you are able to take this guy apart. You take some microfiber cloth with some alcohol. You just rub it into the tang of the blade, around, inside. You clean your bearings, which are stainless steel because there's no track in it. Sorry, no spacer, no stainless steel washer. So you just can fold this guy like that and just see, just go on the inside, and you can clean the frame inside like so from any pocket lint that you might have, and it's done. Like, we are actually done. 10 weight nano oil here in the bearing tracks, like 3 drops are fine, like so, and that is in, like that, and that is in. This guy is in like so. I mean, guys, this is pretty straightforward, right? Pivot, you just center that, you take that, where is it here? Blue Loctite stick, don't do the red, just a little bit, just to coat, you see, like that, the pivot, and then boom, you're in. Let's just do a little bit of nano oil, just a tiny drop on the detent ball, just to have it run a little bit smoother on the tang of the blade. Check for blade centering. This is not centered, so it means it needs to be tightened a little bit more. Just spread the love on the tang of the blade, and we are in business. Look at that. Peter Rassenti Nirvana, small Nirvana 3.0. Nice and lubed, nice and clean. This guy still needs to be broken in, but you see, it's already nice. It's beautiful sound. It's a pleasure to maintain something like this gorgeous. It's satisfaction, and we did it in under 4 minutes, so there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned.